How to create your WhatsApp community. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to be taking you on how you can easily create WhatsApp communities. WhatsApp recently updated their app, and they added a new feature called WhatsApp community. And what does this WhatsApp community does is that via the WhatsApp community you can manage various groups that you have, and also invite other people to join your WhatsApp community. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get there. So before we proceed, please make sure you are using your normal WhatsApp. Don't make use of business WhatsApp, because currently this WhatsApp community is not available on WhatsApp business. So make use of your normal WhatsApp. So tap on your WhatsApp. Above here you can see these three human being icon above here. If you wish to follow that site, you can tap on it and you get to wherever you are going to. Or alternatively, you can also follow this message icon below. Just tap on the message icon and you can see new community here. But in case you launch your WhatsApp and you are unable to get this three dots human being, and when you go to this chat icon below and you couldn't get the new community, please update your WhatsApp and the new feature will be available. So guys, let's proceed. To create your community, tap on the three human being icon above, then tap on this start your community, then choose your community name. On my own case, let me just choose something like this. It's just an example. Then over here you choose you add your community description, what your community is all about, what your community will be all about. So just go ahead, after writing the description of your community, click on this icon to proceed. Then over here you can see that you have options to create a new group and also add your existing groups. But guys, the only group you can be able to add under your community is the group you add as an admin. Any group you don't add as an admin on, you cannot be able to add them. So since I don't have any group I'm adding as an admin on, the only thing I have to do here is just click on this create new group, then choose the name of your group, then click on this icon to proceed. So as you can see, I just created my group and my group has been automatically added to my community, my WhatsApp community. So that is it guys. So let's go back. So you see, so after that, please don't forget to click on this good icon below to have all the things you have done saved. Tap on it. You can see we are done creating our community. You can see they said welcome to the community. As a member, you can see and join groups in this community and stay updated with admin announcements. So just tap on view your communities. You can see there, this is my community and this is my group I add as an admin on. So this is my group. Currently I have not invited anyone to join the group. So that is it guys. So this is how you can easily create your WhatsApp community and add your existing or create a new group under your community, your WhatsApp community. So guys, this is it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click on the thumb up button, click on the notification bell to get notified each time I publish a new video. And in case if you don't get some of the things I'm saying, you can drop your comment via my comment section and I will gladly reply you and put you through. Thank you guys for watching and have a lovely day.